Electrical businesses. We are the life force that brings construction to life. Without us, there's no power, no lighting, no heating, no smart control, no data transfer, no security, no safe egress in an emergency, and soon, no transport. So we thought it's about time you got some recognition for your hard work and commitment. Therefore, we've created the eFix Awards in order to offer some much needed acknowledgement to this most noble of trades. We're looking for businesses who have carried out exceptional work in the following categories: EV charging, smart homes, renewables, lighting, data and security, and safety systems such as emergency lighting and fire alarms. There's also 3 standalone categories for best commercial and industrial installations, best marketing campaigns, and the very special Person of the Year category. What we're looking for is a unique and inspirational business or background story. Maybe you've built your own business from nothing due to difficult circumstances. Maybe you pride yourself on working above and beyond the regulations. Maybe you specialise in one specific area of installation work, such as rewires, renewables, or security. Or maybe you've completed some really challenging installations with complex technology integrating several areas of the industry. Also, we're not just looking for the big companies to get involved. Even if you're self-employed or a sole trader, we want to hear from you. It's about an ethos of installation, not a measure of turnover. Whatever the case, we're looking for outstanding work from brilliant businesses. So, what to do if you think your business is a contender for an award? Simply Google eFix Awards and head to our website. There you'll be able to submit an entry on the Business tab by completing a simple form and selecting the appropriate category. Your submitted information will then be passed on to our judging panel for them to draw up a shortlist, and if you make it to this stage, you may be contacted by a member of the panel for a little further information, a customer reference, or to request a site visit to one of your projects. The process for Person of the Year is a little less formal. If you know someone who you think has done a lot to help the industry or individuals within it over the last 12 months, then please just send us an email at awards@efix.co.uk and we'll be in touch for a chat. The deadline for all nominations to be entered is the 14th of January 2022. All entries before this date can be submitted free of charge, and any submissions after this date will incur a £100 fee to be entered for consideration. So, the countdown is on, the deadline is approaching. If you know of a business that is outstanding in one of these categories, or you view your own business in that way, then head to our awards site and submit your nomination. Hopefully, yours will be the company that we contact to confirm your position at the head of your field for the eFix Awards 2022.